What you gonna do with the little girl? Uh-oh, here it comes. It's gonna go down the hill.
Aiden, do you like your train set? It's cool, huh? Can you say thank you to Mima and Papa? Okay, I'm going to go send this to them through the email, so they're going to see it. Can you wave to them and say miss you?
Can you tell them Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas!